massive amounts of activity at this one hive today.
The other hive over there has what I'd call normal activity.
62 degrees, February 27th. We had 2¼ inches of rain yesterday.
And up north of us in Jasper, Talking Rock, Pickens County, Georgia, they had enough hail to cover the ground. Pea-sized hail, some places as big as ping pong, they said. Last night, me and my wife went to bed. It was thundering and lightning. Now, they say if it thunders in the wintertime, it's going to snow within 2 weeks. I'm not going to say it's out of question, but it's getting pretty late in the year for snow. But yeah, those bees right there are rocking.
Rocking and rolling, buddy. Still no purple martins. Not too worried about them. We got another few weeks where I'll get worried.
And even then, ain't nothing I can do. So, yep, those bees are really going at it.